As a photographer, you are creating amazing content, but are you struggling with the sharing of the content, creating video content, creating reels? If so, I've got an amazing solution for you. It is social templates. It is built within Instagram. There's so many other apps that you can use that you have to use externally and then drag them into Instagram and then upload them. This is built within Instagram, timed to music, and it's using trending audio, which gives you more views. So I'm going to show you how to use this, but it is an amazing, amazing tool for you. So let's say here's 3 different scenarios where you might want a reel. Let's say you just got done with a fun weekend camping with friends and you've got a couple rolls of film and you want to do a photo dump. So here's a great reel you can do. It's so easy to share. Let's say you're photographing an event, a wedding. I was a big wedding photographer. Being able to photograph that, you working with all these people, it's a quick and easy way to give a highlight from that event. Just like you can make it that night, you can make it that next day. Or let's say you're on like a photo shoot, and I'm going to show you some stuff that I was doing for Film Supply Club and show you, I'll make a reel template out of that. So let's see how easy this is to use. So let's say you've now looked through and you figured out which template you want to use. So you go down and you go, okay, I like this one. I'm going to choose this template right here. Great. And so what you do is you click on the image, and when you see the full screen and the 3 dots down on the right, you're going to click that. And then you're going to say use as template. Good. So now in here, it's going to show you the length of the videos and about how many photos there are you can choose. And so now you're going to add media. The first one you're going to choose is a video clip. And again, you should have, if you've already done a shoot or whatever this photo dump is, you're going to send the highlights to your phone so they're easy to find. You're not having to search through. It just makes the whole thing pretty easy. And this, for me, this is a photo shoot I did for Nobleman Magazine with Film Supply Club. Got a video on YouTube that we'll link in there. But yeah, he's an actor on the show Outlander. All the ladies like this guy. And so we'll choose some of these photos. I just shot on Delta 3200, I think. And we got this. We're going to choose these. That looks good. Okay, we got that. And probably get through so you don't have to like re-look at them. You already know which images you want to use. Good. So limit reached. We got that. And good. So we're going to hit next. And it's going to generate the reel. And so now what you can do, if you don't like a particular photo in the sequence, you can go through and switch out the photos, or you can edit the video clip, which we're going to do right here. So this is here. I don't like just me doing that. So I'm going to we're going to hit next first. And now swipe up to edit. And I'm going to edit this video. So what you can do is you can scroll down at the bottom where my thumb is. You can't see my thumb, but I'm going to scroll down at the bottom here. Versus if you just move up here, I guess it all does it. So you can make it smaller or bigger so it's easier to see the window. I did that with 2 thumbs. And now we are going to sort of scan. So I think the clip. Okay, so let's see how that looks. I think it looks pretty good. So now you hit next, the little blue arrow at the top. You can edit the cover if you want, and this is where you typically, if you're doing a reel, this is how you do it. So you add your caption, you would write it. This is a photo shoot with Sam Hewen. You know, we got that in there. You would tag the people that are involved. We'd invite collaborators. Sam Hewen, right there, the big guy. Invite collaborators. You would have a Nobleman Magazine. You would think of your makeup artist, your stylist, your designer, your whoever, all your collaborators. You could put them in there right there and tag them. So they're automatically tagged, and then you got it here. And then, same deal. You've got it right there, and you can hit share. It's right in the app. You're not having to download it from another program, upload it right in there. Tag to music, sync to music, so easily done for you. I love this program. I think it'll streamline your workflow, make you post more, and get you really, really beautiful reels. So from the edit mode, if you scroll back down with your thumb, you just swipe it down, it gets bigger. And now if you wanted to share this in your stories, it doesn't save the music, but you can click the download button and save it. And so now you'll just have that video that you can post into your stories, add your own music to it if you want. So if you are interested in using social templates, you go to socialtemplates.co. I'll have links down below, and type in the code word Film Supply Club. all lowercase, all one word, and you'll get the first month free just to try it out. I think it's an amazing tool for you. And we're at Film Supply Club. We have the best prices on film. We're here to support you. We've got a ton of educational videos on our channel, and hopefully this is helpful. Till then, keep on shooting film, and we will see you on the next one.